Hello dear students and parents, hope you are doing well. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate the step for the half-yearly examination which is going to be start from 10th of October. So in the initial state the student must have to go in the Google Classrooms application, and this time you must verify that you are logged in with your MGM ID. Just go into the class in which you are having the examination. Then after going to the class you will have the meet link. You will click on the meet link. After getting connected you will click on join. After joining to the meet you will have the link for the attendance, and keep in mind this link is activated only for 3 minutes. You have to make the attendance within 3 minutes. You have to fill the details, your name, your class and section, mark your attendance, and finally you have to specify the subject, say information technology, and finally you have to submit. Keep in mind there is only 3 minutes for doing or for uploading the attendance. After that again you will go to the classroom. Then you will find the objective question. Click on the objective question. Keep in mind only 15 minutes is given to this objective type question. You will click on the form. You will again fill the detail such as name, your class, and then press next to get started with the answers. So you will simply select the answers, and after selecting all the answers finally you will submit it. And after doing this objective part you will again go into the classroom, and you will find a subjective question. This time for answering the subjective question you have to answer the answer in the A4 sheet. You have to write the answer in the A4 sheet and you have to upload the pictures for the same. You will find the questions from the Google form. In this Google form you have to again write your name, so that a student will left to make your attendance at the beginning can make the attendance over here. Then here you have to provide the school roll number, the class roll number which is provided by the class teacher. Then you will find the questions, and there is a option to write the answer. In that answer you have to provide the page number which you are going to write at the top of your page at the A4 sheet. Again for answering this question you have to go to Google Meet. And you have to switch on your camera, and you have to start writing the answers. So how to start writing your answer? First of all you have to write your name at the top, then your registration number, then your roll number, then class and section you have to mention. Then you have to put a line so that you can make differentiation, and at the corner you have to specify the page number clearly. Now for the question number 1 you have to write question number 1. Then you will write your answer. Say the first question is what is a computer. If it is a question, so you will write the answer. Computer is an electronic device. Again you will put a margin so that you can make a differentiation between each and other questions. You will again write question number 2, write down the answers, again put a margin. Similarly you will write all the answers. As soon as this paper get filled, you will have to go to classroom, and in that classroom you will find your work. You will drag it above and you will find there is an option to add attachment. You will click on this add attachment. Then there is an option to take photo. You will click on it and you will simply take the picture of the page, and keep in mind that you have to take picture in the landscape mode only. And after getting the picture and by mistake you have to take the picture in the portrait mode, not in the landscape mode. Student upload the picture in the landscape mode, that will create problem for us. So you have to take the picture in portrait mode, then click on this right button and it will get uploaded. And then again you will turn the page and you will write other answers mentioning the page number, and if you can you will again write the name, class, roll number and registration number. Then other questions, say question number 6 might be, you will write the answers. Give margin. Then another question, similarly you will fill the whole page. Again you will go to the add attachment section. You will click on it. You have a facility to take photo. You will again take photo in the portrait mode and you will simply click on the check. Do not bother, it will be get uploaded at time. After getting, you go to the Google form and mention, write your name again if it is removed, your class, your roll number, and in this section where in the Google form you have to write your answer, in this section you will going to write the page number where the answer is. So say if the question number 1 is present at page number 1, so you will write page number 1 which is there in your answer sheet. Then again page number 1, the question number is 2 all is on page number 1. Again if question number 3 is on page number 3, you will mention it is on page number 2 or 3. Similarly for the last one also you will mention the page number, and finally you will submit the Google form. Keep in mind the subjective question will be available only for 1 hour and 15 minutes. After doing this, there is an option of hand in, and there might be other option that is turn in your mobile phone or your PC or laptop. After clicking all the pictures, uploading all the pictures, click on this hand in and it will be submitted. And if you find that there is any mistake, you find difficulty, you have forgot to upload a picture, you will again click on this unsubmit. And if you want to add some more pictures, you will again click on this add attachment. You will again take photo. You can take photo and you will upload it again. Okay. After that you will press on hand in. So these steps must be there. Keep in mind you have to click on this hand in or the turn in button. Thank you. Hope you are doing well and best of luck for your examination.